Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down the Realme and removing the case and SIM tray so you can access the button area. Once done, look closely for lint, corrosion, or a misaligned frame because physical obstruction is the most common cause. You should back up your data now and note the exact model and Android version. This matters for parts and software fixes. If you have compressed air and isopropyl 90% plus, prepare them. They'll be used carefully to dislodge grime later. You'll clean the button gap first. Blow short bursts of compressed air, then gently swab with 90% isopropyl on a cotton tip to dissolve grime. Once clean, boot into safe mode to check whether an app blocks the button. Press and hold the power and volume to enter recovery if needed. Next, check volume sliders and install any system updates because firmware bugs can disable button responses. If the problem persists, pair Bluetooth or use wired headphones to verify whether audio control works externally. This isolates hardware from software. You now proceed to cautious disassembly. Apply low heat to soften adhesive, use a pry tool to open, and remove screws to expose the volume, flex, and button assembly. You should inspect the flex cable for tears or corrosion and test continuity if you have a multimeter. Replace the button or cable if worn because mechanical failure is common. Once replaced, reseat connectors firmly and reassemble. Make sure to test all volume operations. If it still fails, try a factory reset as a last resort. If that fails, seek a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.